Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. With so many festivals just around the corner, we are all looking forward to make some delicious sweet recipes. Today, we are going to make a special variation of Semiya Payasam using dates. To be honest, traditional Semiya Payasam made with sugar always tastes the best, but this recipe is a great option for those who are either restricting or avoiding sugar. For this, first we will start soaking dates in warm milk. I've used here around 15 dates. To this we will add some about 9 to 10 almonds. Soak them in warm milk for about 20 to 30 minutes. After soaking, we blend them into a smooth paste. In a pan, we will add 1 liter of milk and bring it to a boil. Now, while the milk is boiling, we will prepare the other ingredients. To a vessel, we will add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the cashews and raisins and roast them until golden. Into the same vessel, we will add another tablespoon of ghee and lightly roast the semiya for about a minute. We are using roasted semiya, so we will just roast it less than a minute, and this step will add extra flavor even though the semiya is pre-roasted. To this, now we will add the boiled milk and let it cook on a very low flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. We will stir this occasionally and cook until the semiya is soft and the milk reduces slightly. Once the semiya is cooked and the milk has thickened, we will add cardamom powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and give it a good mix. To this, now we will add our dates puree. Stir well to combine and let the flavors melt for few minutes. Finally, we will add some roasted cashews and raisins and bring the payasam to a gentle boil. Then switch off the flame. Our payasam is ready. This healthier version is perfect for those festive moments when you want to indulge without the sugar. I hope you will try this recipe at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching.